Welcome back to our weekly update. I'm Charlotte McLeod with the Investing News Network, and this is your quick look at the stories we've been covering that you need to hear about. We've reached the end of the first full week of the new year, and for gold, it's been a bumpy ride. The yellow metals started the period at about $19.10 per ounce, then rose to around $19.60 midway through the week. At the time of this recording, it was just above $19.10 once again. Gold's price moves have come against an interesting backdrop in the U.S. Aside from Tuesday's runoff elections in Georgia, Wednesday saw Trump supporters descend on the Capitol during a session whose purpose was to count electoral college votes. Gold tends to thrive during times of turmoil, but instead took a fall as Wednesday's events unfolded. Why? Market watchers have pointed to a rise in U.S. 10-year Treasury yields, which jumped above 1% for the first time since last March. Both gold and treasuries are considered safe havens, but when treasury yields rise, gold, which does not bear interest, can become less appealing. We also asked our Twitter followers for their thoughts on why gold didn't rise on the back of this week's unrest. Comments were varied, with one respondent suggesting that Wednesday's events didn't represent true turmoil. Others pointed to Bitcoin's recent price activity, saying that interest may be going there instead. We'll be asking another question on Twitter next week, so make sure to follow us and share your thoughts. Aside from that, INN spoke this week with Tom Calandra of the Calandra Report and Nick Santiago of In the Money Stocks. They both shared their best advice for investors in 2021, with Tom encouraging market participants to leave room in their portfolios for speculative plays. For his part, Nick said it's important to learn how to read charts. Like we've done for the last few weeks, I'm going to close out this video by highlighting INN's Outlook content. As a reminder, at the end of every year, our reporters reach out to experts in the many markets we cover, then we compile their ideas to give our audience a look at what's coming in the year ahead. This week, we moved into the battery metals space with outlooks for lithium and cobalt. The markets for both metals were impacted by COVID-19 in 2020, but industry insiders agree that 2021 looks brighter. Higher demand and prices are expected in both sectors as the electric vehicle narrative grows stronger. I'll leave the links to both outlooks below so you can check them out in full. That's all for this week. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates and interviews. You can also follow us on social media or click below for our free report or any article mentioned in this video. See you next time.